Hello everyone, my name is Brian and welcome to Overland Calling. I know I don't look like I usually do. I'm not wearing a hat, my beard's trimmed, I don't look like crap, and hey, I just had a shower this morning. Let me set the scene for you. Today finds us in my home state of Virginia. We're running a trail that most people around here call Union Springs to Flagpole Knob. If you're on Trails Offroad, it's Union Springs and then another trail to bridge you in. We'll get to that later. The sun is getting low. It's a Friday afternoon. We're on the hunt for one of the campsites. You gonna find a site? We'll see. I got a buddy streaming in to meet here, and I think I'm a little bit ahead of him. I'm gonna hop in and try and score us a campsite before the riffraff comes in, because I am sure there are gonna be some folks out today. This first part, I'll tell you right now, don't expect a lot of fancy filming. I'm gonna be concentrating on getting my butt to a campsite. We ain't gonna be stopping. We ain't gonna be putting the camera out. We ain't gonna be doing any pretty drive-bys. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna run some trails and try and find a campsite. Now, for those of you that find yourself in the George Washington National Forest and wanna check out Union Springs, hey, I'm gonna show you all the cool need-to-know stuff. Because I have run this trail, and I can't tell you how many times. It's a good one, though, and let me tell you, I do enjoy it every single time. It's one of my favorite runs. First part kind of starts out on like a, basically gravel road, a little bumpier than usual. It is going to be no passing, so keep an eye out ahead of you. Now, for the first part of this trail, bearing down is not a must, but I'll tell you right now, it is not your grandma's gravel road. This sucker's got some bounce to it. If you're planning on running all the way to Flagpole, I'd go ahead and bear it down. It'll just make life a whole lot nicer. I'm hauling butt, and hopefully gonna score one of my favorite creekside little camp spots along this trail. The basic gist of the plan is, we're gonna do some camping tonight, finish out the trail tomorrow. There might be a steak eating, there might be a bourbon drink. Step one though, find the camp spot. I could have sworn that was a fun little bypass thing. Or fun little side loop. It looks like that sucker is closed. Man, I was meant to take that thing, but I never did. I guess my chances are gone. Oh, and just so you know, for anybody that is not fond of heights, got a little bit of a shelf road. I mean, it's got some width to it, but you're going to realize you're driving on a road that's been cut out of the side of a mountain. So, just a heads up there. Oh, and by the way, that squeaking noise you're hearing, yeah, that's my overhead molly plate. I apologize for that. If it makes you feel any better, it is annoying the living crap out of me too. Once I make it home and start doing my winter fixes, then I'll finish things up. They sell these super thin nylon washers that just work wonders at taking that squeak away. Oh man, I don't think I've ever seen this part open. Peach Pond. Huh. Man, I may have to see if I can talk my buddy into going exploring that one later. I don't think we have too much further to go to the campsite. Alright, so this is the creek crossing I was talking about. And man, let me tell you, this sucker is bone dry. Holy cow. Man, this looks so much different with hardly any water in it. And no leaves blocking the view into the camp here. Well, go figure. All right. Now let's play a little game called Try Not to Run Over the Camera. can hardly even tell that this is a campsite. Until you get in, you see the big giant fire pit. A late night and a bottle of bourbon later, we're leaving this campsite. All right, let's go explore and see what the heck that Peach Pond, I don't know, that road back there that I've never been able to take before. So we're gonna backtrack just a little bit and off we go. Yep, that's it. It's Peach Pond. Man. You? Right. Peach Pond, here we come. All right at Peach Pond. Oh, new trail. Nice little wooded 2-track. This is a nice little trail. This should make for a pretty good video. I've never had anybody that's able to film my car. And man, I haven't gotten out once to put the dang tripod down. That's pretty sweet. I'm not getting my steps in today.
This is where you're gonna want to get a little closer and I'll tell you when.
Back through the creek crossing with hardly any water. Oh yeah. Nice little uphill. Now, I'm still not sure that this is Stone Gap or if it's just the continuation of Union Springs. I don't know, but I'll tell you, once you pass that sign there, the trail changes. It changes a lot. You'll feel it. We had some guys going along in a brand new Ford Raptor, and oh man, they got a shock. Oh yeah. Got some guys behind us in a brand new Ford Raptor. Tell you what, man, that's all you do it. Like, you get a new truck, then go out and test it. Heck yeah. Day one. paper tags. That truck will not be a pavement princess after today. Oh yeah, good times. I don't think I've ever been here in the fall. It's actually a pretty nice view. Ooh, that's some flex. Oh, hey, I'm gonna check this site out real quick. All right, well, let's see what we got here. So I just got a comment. Somebody asking for the coordinates of this first site. I think this is what they're talking about. Pretty sure it's this site right here. This is a sweet little site. In my first video, I just showed some tracks and told people they should go check out random tracks off the trail. And this is the site. All the free firewood you could want. Look at that. Oh man. And hey, check out this view. This is a pretty killer spot. Pretty darn sweet. And man, somebody created a nice rock stack for that fire pit. It's not the spot for a windy day, but man, look at that. Beautiful view of the valley. Love off-road, don't get me wrong, but I off-road to get to those kick-butt camping spots all day long. All right, and there you go. I'm gonna rename that. Camp Minimum Cell is just not cool enough for this site. Been running trails solo so long, I forgot how nice it is to have somebody to talk to on the radio as you're going through trails. Ooh, this is a good one. Success, baby. That is the roughest obstacle on the trail, in my opinion anyway. And there is no bypass. Oh yeah. Rock and roll, baby, rock and roll. We are just about to one of my favorite spots. Good old Meadow Knob. In the summer, whenever you're coming out of this tight trees and all that stuff into the openness, man, that's a good feeling. In the winter, not quite as dramatic, but it's still beautiful. Oh yeah. Well, folks, welcome to Meadow Knob. That view never gets old. But it's time to head down that trail. Now, the original plan was to camp up on Meadow Knob tonight, but I mean, it's a little windy, a little cloudy, a lot cold. So, yeah, I think we're gonna head down Skidmore Forks, Dunkel Hollow Road. I don't know, I'm going off Trails Offroad. That's what the name is. I'll check it when we get there and see what Gaia thinks. Oh yeah. Oh man, I completely messed up that shot. Oh well, I think we got plenty of shots of me rolling through mud puddles. Probably not going to be as much filming, at least the stopping kind, because I'll tell you what, I don't want to be night wheeling on a 30-40 degree night and then having to find a campsite. Nope. I think we're just going to power on through. Hopefully there's some spots. I haven't been on the Skidmore Forks, Dunkel Hollow. I haven't been on that in 3 years, so I don't really remember what's down there. I have a video on it. It was one of the very first that I made. I should have gone back and watched it, but oh well. This was a spur of the moment type thing. We weren't planning on taking yet another trail. We were going to camp on Meadow Knob, but it's just not the right weather for it. Find some place a little bit more wind sheltered, and then oh man, I forgot that one was bad. I totally forgot that was the rocky one.
I figured you were just testing out that suspension.
Here's where we hop off Union Springs to Flagpole Knob. That way is Flagpole Knob. That way is Dunkel Hollow Road. I don't even know what it is. I'll put it up on screen. This is going to be just like going down a new area, because I'll tell you what, I can't remember what's down there. Oh, heck yeah. Let the adventure begin. Oh, looks like there's a little camp spot right there. Huh. Not bad. I'll tell you what, if you don't like being on a shelf road, this may not be the road for you. That's all right though. We're dropping off the ridges, hiding from the wind. This has been a good day of wheeling. Still got a bit of trail left. But hopefully going to be finding a camp spot and finishing the rest of this trail tomorrow. But we shall see. And ideally, maybe not staying up all night around, till like 3 o'clock in the morning. Solve the problems of the world around a campfire. And I will probably drink much less bourbon than last night, because I'm feeling a little trashy this morning. I gotta come back here in the summertime. It's gotta be just beautiful in here. Not that it's exactly ugly right now, but man, I bet with all the trees coming out, that's gotta be pretty nice. that was the roughest part of it. We'll watch Rob. Heck yeah. Oh. What the heck was that? Oh. Diff check! Sorry, I just did a rock in the trail. That's why you shouldn't be sitting here recording yourself, and you should instead be paying attention to the trail. Let's go check damage. Well, nothing's leaking, but that was a pretty good hit. I think I have successfully escaped the wind, and we are down out of it. It's been a good day of wheeling. Super slow though. Anybody that's thinking of filming YouTube videos on trails, you can just pretty much plan for it to take twice as long as normal. Although the nice thing is it's almost nighttime, so pretty soon you're not going to be able to see much in the video. I know this camera makes it look like it's super bright outside, but it is not. Uh-oh. Well, there was a little camping spot. And it's ill taken. Oh well, it's not a really good rooftop tent spot anyway. Although I am gonna mark it. This was a good sight. Campfire level, plenty of room. And down here, you actually have a little stream access point. Can't beat that. Crazy monster fire pit. I have no idea why it's 5 feet away, pure rock, but oh well. Time to pop in the car and get moving. Oh, and just in case you're wondering, nice little stream side spot. Got it marked for next time. Up, and away. Can I make it? Oh, just made it. Look at that. Look at that. There's a little spot. A little close in on the road. Now that's a nice camp spot. Oh yeah, that's a good spot. Oh, and a Jeep on the side of the road. Hopefully they're okay. And let me tell you, there are some camping spots down here. I'm not stopping and, marking on all of them, but just so you know, this lower section of Skidmore Fork is, that's not far from the lake, but it is pretty dang nice. Tons of spots, great wind sheltered spots too. There's another little camp spot. And it looks like a river crossing, or a little stream crossing. I don't know if I'd quite call that a river, but that's nice. Oh yeah, that one's getting marked. I guess last time I ran this, I didn't take the time and mark all the camp spots. because I'm sure I thought I would remember it. Yeah, no, I had no memory of these spots at all. And it looks like now we are getting super close into the lake. Skidmore Lake right there. A little pressed for time, but I want to see what's down here at the end. I think this is lake access right here. Oh yeah, nice campsite right there. Nice little turnaround. Wow, 50 sunfish per day. Take as many as you want. Heck yeah, this is nice. Never been down this road before. This is pretty cool. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, I think this might be the prime spot on the lake. Probably gonna have pretty high traffic because everybody's gonna be like me and drive down and see what's at the end of the road. But man, I think it's probably worth it. And a nice spot to air up the tires because this is the last stop. And pavement. 2.5 month long trip, and this is the last time that I touch dirt before I get home. Let's see if my dog still remembers me.
What's up? What's up? Do you remember me? How you doing? How you doing? Aw. Yeah. 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 Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Hey. Okay. Okay. Yes. Don't eat the camera. All right. See y'all later.